the first question on the story says, what change, if any, should be made in sentence 5? Change in sentence 5. If you underline those keywords, give yourself a tally mark. When we look over here at sentence 5, we see that this is a homophone that's oftentimes people get confused. And we said that the word was wrong word. It should have been there, T-H-E-I-R. So we're going to put a dot for possibility on H. If you did that, give yourself a tally mark. Change took to take. Well, anytime that the beginning of the word is the same and the ending is different, you go back and plug it in. They take Oliver out of his pen. They took Oliver out of his pen. Well, both of those sound right, so you have to look at action words around. He had been. The dogs had come. It happened. Pointed. Oliver was finally. All of those are past tense verbs, past tense actions. And so you can't have everything in your story as past tense and then all of a sudden change it to future tense. It doesn't work that way. So in this case, when the beginning of the word is the same, the ending is different, it's the same word, just different variations or different tenses of it, it doesn't work. It's wrong tense. If you did that, give yourself a tally mark. Insert a comma after pen. Well, I think we already figured this out. But we did see a fanboys word, so we circled it. They took Oliver out of his pen. That's a complete sentence. Put him in their car. That is not a complete sentence. So it's complete on the right, not on the left, so it does not need a comma to make it right. So on this case, all you would say is no comma needed. If you did that, give yourself a tally mark. No change should be made. You should bloop out the no. Change should be made. My only correct answer on that is H. If you picked H as your correct answer and you fixed it that way in your story, give yourself a tally mark.